Alright guys, so here it is. They're filling it in today with sand and gravel. Let's see if I can get a little closer here. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I'm not going to go too close because there's a police officer over there. But there are the tanks, and they're just filling them in with the backhoe, and then they're going to cement it. Alright guys, so I'm not going to stay too much longer. That'll give you an idea of what they're doing. Alright. Pretty messy job though, huh? Alright guys, so it won't be long now. People will be back in here. I'm going to say by, where are we now, Wednesday? People will be coming here to get gas. I'm going to say by Friday, Saturday the latest. Thank you, UPS. At least it's not raining today. It looks like the sky is trying to clear. You see it over there? We got the blue in between the clouds. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next video.